They just can't flip a switch and change everything. You know, there's a lot more at stake. You know, there is a lot of people out there that are severely hurt and damaged, and I mean, just all the medications that people's on. I mean, I've been on, you know, painkillers for 10 years now. What's going to happen when that all stops? Are they going to take care of me when I need to get detoxed, or you know what I mean? I don't know.
I have an accident like this. I should, you know, be treated, you know, equally.
He should listen to the people and not listen to the corporations. He should go to the common man and see what his opinion is about it, and not just assume that it's something that can be fixed by big corporations.
I can't believe you guys had actually put this through. Like, you're never going to be hurt. You're never going to have to deal with the stuff I have to deal with. And not even me necessarily. Most of the people out there with injuries, like, life's changed. You know, we're not enjoying life, going out there every single day, looking forward to the day ahead. You know, it's like, great, I have to wake up today. I have to do this again and that again, and go to the doctor, and how dare you guys?
Que no hagan ningún cambio, por favor.
Please don't make any changes.
Nos afectaría bastante.
This would affect us a lot.
Ellos no saben cómo uno sufre.
They
lo
don't
que
know
uno
how we
pasa.
suffer and what we are going through.
No tienen ni idea.
They have no idea.
I would like to tell them that please be compassionate to people like that are sustaining injuries like me, like my injury, and keep our benefits that way they are.
Accidents do happen, but I think we should make sure that people, that victims of accidents, are treated fairly and get the best benefits they can get to be okay, and to be okay from then on.
I just want to say that some of the big corporations, which is usual here, by paying money or by promising things.
ولی حق مردم ضعیف رو هیچ وقت از بین نبرن و همیشه مردم ضعیف رو در نظر داشته باشن.
Not to take away the rights of the small people and consider the little people's benefits and their rights.
Governor Brown, ladies and gentlemen, please, I want you to think about this. You're not just affecting pieces of paper. This isn't just something to rubber stamp. There are people's lives in the balance. Not just me, but hundreds and thousands like me. I went to work one day. I was doing my job. I got injured. I didn't ask for this. I didn't ask for the changes. I didn't ask for putting my life on hold for who knows. I'm never going to be the way I was before. So before you make this decision, please give it some thought. Understand that there are real people that you're affecting and that we need help. The current system doesn't work very well. Let's not make it any worse than it already is.